All right, a little bit more with the percent equation. One challenge with dealing with the percent equation is to know when you're going to multiply or divide to find your solution. We know the percent equation is the percent times the whole equals the part. Well, so for our purposes, I'm going to abbreviate this. I'm going to call this A% of B, or times B, is equal to C. So I'm going to show some equations that are in this form, and we're going to talk about whether we should multiply or divide in order to find our solution. So in this scenario, we've got the whole, we've got the part. What we don't know is that percent. So this is a simple one-step equation where I need to get the variable a by itself. We know we use inverse operations to isolate the variable, so the inverse of multiplication would be division. In this case, I would divide both sides by 1200. To get my answer. Now, by contrast, in this situation, I've got the percent, I've got the whole. What I don't have is the part. So I would simply need to multiply these two values, 85 hundredths times 15, to get C. So what I notice is that when I have two of the unknowns on the same side of the equation as we do here in the second, we're just simply going to multiply. And if I'm missing one of those unknowns on the left side of the equation, or either the percent or the whole, then we're going to end up ultimately having to divide, whether I'm missing the percent or the whole amount. Here's another example. Is this a divide or multiply? We're missing one of the variables on the left side, so this is going to be a multiply. Once again, missing one variable on one side, so I would end up dividing both sides by 150. I've got both unknowns on the left side. The part is isolated already, so all I have to do is multiply here. One last one. I'm missing one of the variables on the left side, so I'll ultimately have to divide both sides by 1.25 to get my solution for B.